Hello everyone. Hi Gemini, air sign. This is the reading for you, January 2021 monthly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages for 2021 January. Gemini, air sign. So let's see your messages. Lot of energy, guys. Under the deck, Queen of Pentacles. I think you are very caring and sharing person, Gemini. Yeah. So let's see your reading. In recent past, I think Capricorn energy, you person could be Capricorn. There is some obsession. Your person may be obsessed with you. And you started something new in your life. Ace of Swords. There is brand new beginning between you and your person in relationship or in life. Definitely you started something new. Truth coming out, some communication. I think your person maybe communicate you in recent past, communicated you, Ace of Swords and the Emperor. Definitely stand by your power. You are very committed person and you are very loyal person in this connection and in your life also. And what's going on right now? The Sun, Temperance and Seven of Pentacles. I think you are investing your energy and your pentacles in something and you are waiting for the result. And you achieved balance in your life. I think in past there is no balance in your life and in your relationship also, but you are achieved. Finally you are achieving right now because these are the right now situation. So definitely right now what is going, you are achieving your balance, and you are achieving patience. And Seven of Pentacles, you are patiently waiting for the result. You invested your energy or your pentacles in something and waiting for the result. For some you are investing in some relationship and you are waiting for commitment also, what I am seeing here. And the Sun, definitely that going to be a positive result for you. For some it could be third party situation, children's involved, very few, okay, not all. What I am seeing here, in career wise you will get financial stability. Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, there will be results and you will be rewarded for your hard work, what I am seeing here. Seven of Pentacles, then Ace of Pentacles. Yes, you will get financial stability and you will get recognition for your hard work, Gemini. But in relationship wise there is some ups and downs in your life in near future because Nine of Swords with Four of Swords. Yeah, you are maybe in some anxiety energy. You are thinking about them a lot, or you are thinking something about a lot in your career also. That's why you are not unable to sleep. You are in very anxiety. And Four of Swords, yeah, some healing starting. Definitely healing started by the end of the January. You are not talking to anyone. There is no contact with your person also. You are thinking them a lot but not talking to them because you want some rest. You want some healing. See, this is a meditation state also. You want healing because this energy is draining you. You don't want this energy and you want this healing energy. Okay, so the person you involved in this connection could be air sign, lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Sagittarius, or Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on, Gemini. So energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. So many cards, that's why I'm not taking. So first we will see your person current feelings. Okay, one card. King of Wands, Ten of Wands came reverse. Okay, Nine of Wands. I think your person also very strong person, King of Wands, and there is a lot of passion. They also stand by their power, and And what I am seeing here, definitely 10 of wands, they're really thinking about to come towards you. They won't give up on you. That is the thinking, because when 10 of wands come right up, they may be guarded up, but it came reverse. Definitely they won't give up on you. They want to come towards you. Okay, they're thinking about like this. They're attracted to you. There is a lot of passion involved. King of wands. Yeah, let's see your person near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. A lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, 3 of swords. Hermit. Your person could be Virgo. Wow. I want one more card. Yeah, they're juggling. Your person is juggling. They're thinking so many things. They don't know which decision they have to make, because there is some sneaky energy also. Your person may be playing games with you. What I'm getting here, that's why you are not talking to them. You cut them off because they're playing games with you. Yeah, 7 of swords energy. I think your person also undergoing some transformation. The hermit energy is here. At some point they are also feeling sad for the separation. 3 of swords. But maybe you are in third party situation. You already know about that. That's why you are not talking to them. 2 of pentacles, still your person juggling. Still they are not making any decision. Yeah, they want to come towards you, but they don't make any right decision. Yeah, maybe your person sneaky playing games with you. If you already know about your person, be careful, because this is a sneaky energy. But after transformation, there will be some change in energy. So right now they are juggling. Still they are juggling. They don't know which decision they have to make. Yeah, they are very passionate about you, but I'm not seeing any action cards here. Maybe some communication. It could be lies type. Yeah, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So your person involved could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. So let's... lot of cards. I'm not taking too many cards. So let's pull some cards from universe. The outcome. Gemini. Yeah, 4 of cups. Temperance. Yeah, you are achieving balance. What I'm seeing here, Gemini, you stand by your power. That's very good thing. That is very positive. Queen of Cups. Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay, reverse. I think they are taking their time to come towards you. They are not in rush to make a move towards you right now. They are taking their time because they are also undergoing some transformation. If you are waiting for your person to come back, they're taking their time. And 4 of Cups, definitely they will scared about rejection. They may be thinking that you will reject them when they come forward you, because you are very honest in this connection. You are always there for your person. Queen of Cups, you are very caring and giving person, Gemini. That's why they're scared that you will reject them, because you are very honest till day one. And Temperance, definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you. But it's up to you. They are not rush. I think in near future, I'm not seeing any action. They're waiting for the right time. That's it. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Gemini, Knight of Pentacles, Hierophant, Page of Swords, 3 of Wands. Yeah, waiting game is going between both of you. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and you turn your back from your person because there is no equal give and take. There is no commitment. Yeah, Page of Swords, some communication. They may be spying on you on social media. Hierophant, yeah, there is no commitment, but commitment is coming. Yeah, they are thinking about commitment but not taking action because they are very slow moving energy. But I think someone new is coming towards you. It is not past person what I am seeing. Someone new, and this person is very honest and very sincere what I am seeing here. Gemini. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Queen of Cups, 5 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. Yeah, they're ready to offer stability. and long-term commitment also. For some, you person right now concentrating on their career too. And Five of Pentacles, yeah, they're suffering in silence, there is no doubt, because Three of Swords is also here, and Five of Pentacles suffering in silence. Queen of Cups, yeah, they have strong emotions for you but not taking any action. That is the big issue here. Yeah, because they scared that you will reject them, what I am getting here. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.